In this video we will see the interplanar spacing and simple cubic system. In this diagram, ON is representing the planar spacing from origin. Similar manner we can calculate the distance of separation between two planes. See, ON is making alpha dash with the x-axis, beta dash with the y-axis and gamma dash with the z-axis. The point ABC is noted, so OA and OB and OC. According to Miller indices, we are denoting by HKL. This is the Miller indices notation for the given plane. OA equivalent to A by H and OB equivalent to A by K and OC equivalent to A by L according to the intercept condition. ON equivalent to D1. So what is cos alpha 1? D1 by OA. Cos beta dash is equivalent to D1 by OB. Cos gamma dash is equivalent to D1 by OC. Now what is OA? A by H, OB A by K and OC A by L. Substitute and let it be equation number 1. According to cosine rule, squaring and adding, you will get this condition. Then common terms commonly taken outside and you are moving the terms except d1 squared. So you will get ax squared divided by h squared plus k squared plus l squared. So let OP equal to d2. So if suppose you are selecting the another plane which has the dimension OQ equivalent to 2a by h, OR equivalent to 2a by k and OS equivalent to 2a by L. What is d2 now? 2a divided by root of h squared plus k squared plus L squared. The distance of separation d2 minus d1 is equivalent to a by root of h squared plus k squared plus L squared. So this is your interplanar spacing value. Characteristics of a crystal structure. So in order to study the characteristics of a crystal structure, we need to know these following points. Number of atoms per unit cell, that is total number of atoms shared by a unit cell. Atomic radius, half the distance between any two nearest neighboring atoms that bond with each other in a crystal with pure element. Coordination number, it is the number of nearest neighboring atoms to particular atom. Atomic packing factor or packing density, the ratio between the volumes occupied by the total number of atoms per unit cell and to the total volume of the unit cell. APF equal to small v by capital V. Nearest neighbor distance, the distance between the centers of the two nearest neighboring atoms. So we are having different kind of cubical systems. Today, among the simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic, we will discuss about simple cubic. So this is your general structure of simple cubic and body centered cubic and face centered cubic. See, simple cubic, 8 corner atoms available. In body centered cubic, 1 atom present inside the unit cell in addition to 8 corner atoms. Face centered atom means you have a 6 faces in a cube. So 8 corner atoms and 6 face centered atoms. Okay. This is your simple cubic structure. Look at the 8 corners. 8 corners are having the 8 atoms, but it is 1 by part of the atom only present. So in each and every corner you can see 1 by 8 part of the atoms present in the corners of simple cubic system. This is your nearest neighbors. If you are selecting specimen atom over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 atoms nearest neighbor to the specimen atom. So if you are connecting two atoms like this, the side of the square is equivalent to double the amount of radius. In this structure there is one lattice point at each of the 8 corners. Number of the corner atoms is equal to 8. Share of atoms in each unit cell is equal to 1 by 8. So total number of atoms per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8, that is equal to 1. Thus the simple cubic is primitive cell as it contains only corner atoms. Atomic radius, A is equivalent to 2R, so R is equivalent to A by 2. Coordination number, so 6 atoms looking nearest neighbor to the specimen atom, so coordination number is 6. Atomic packing factor, volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube because it is square. So total volume of the unit cell is V is equal to A cube. So APF is equal to small v by capital V. So you are substituting the value of small v and capital V. We know that it is in terms of A only. So A is cancelled with A. You will get 4 pi by 24, that is 52%. Example for simple cubic system is polonium. Thank you.